Manufacturing touches all of our lives, whether we're producing goods, keeping systems running, or using manufactured products. The impact is real, from factory floors to IT departments to everyday consumers. As we move through 2025, 7 powerful trends are transforming the way products are designed, manufactured, and delivered. Let's explore how PLM and manufacturing are evolving, and what this means for your work, your business, and your world. Trend number 1, digital and virtual twins. Digital twins and virtual twins have evolved from being a nice-to-have to being a game-changer. They enable companies to simulate how a product will perform before it even exists, thereby reducing errors and improving efficiency. If your company still relies on traditional prototyping, it's time to rethink your approach. These tools allow you to adjust designs in real time, reducing costs and improving quality. Trend number 2, AI and generative AI in PLM. It is clear that artificial intelligence is more than just a buzzword, it is transforming PLM. Generative AI can suggest optimized designs, automate documentation, and even analyze data for compliance purposes. If repetitive tasks are slowing down your team, AI-driven automation can help free up time for more strategic work. Think of it as a digital assistant that never sleeps. Trend number 3, interoperability and connectivity. The third trend is the increasing integration of product lifecycle management systems with other enterprise systems. To enable your teams to make better decisions faster, your PLM system needs to connect with ERP, CRM, and supply chain tools. By connecting your systems, everyone, from design to production, can access real-time data, minimizing errors and boosting teamwork. Trend number 4, sustainability and circular economy. Sustainability is no longer optional, it is at the forefront. Regulations are tightening, and consumers are demanding eco-friendly products. Digital product passports, or DPPs, are therefore becoming essential. They track a product's entire life cycle, from raw materials to recycling, helping companies prove compliance and meet sustainability goals. Now's the time to start thinking green, not just to comply with regulations, but also to align with the global sustainability trends that consumers deeply care about. Trend number 5, AI-powered compliance and traceability. With regulations constantly evolving, compliance is becoming increasingly complex. AI tools can automate compliance checks, trace materials across the supply chain, and simplify audits. By using AI to analyze your data, you can ensure compliance without slowing down your processes, because let's face it, nobody wants to deal with regulatory headaches. Trend number 6, Industry 5.0 and human-machine collaboration. The sixth trend is the advent of Industry 5.0, which focuses on collaboration between humans and machines. Rather than replacing workers, technology is now designed to enhance human creativity and problem-solving abilities. With smart automation and AI-driven insights, your teams can focus on innovation rather than repetitive tasks. It's about working smarter, not harder. Trend number 7, Rise of Cloud-Based PLM Solutions. Finally, our last PLM trend shows that the cloud is no longer just the future, it is the present. Cloud-based PLM solutions are gaining traction, particularly among mid-size manufacturers. They're scalable, flexible, and enable real-time collaboration. If your business is still relying on outdated, on-premises systems, moving to the cloud could transform your efficiency levels. These trends aren't just shaping technology, they are shaping the people and processes behind every product we use. At Tech, we've helped companies like Mud Pie, Crown Forklift, PVH, Kate Spade, and Carolina Pad to evaluate and select the PLM solutions that best align with their business objectives. From lifestyle brands to industrial equipment, one thing is clear: success starts with the right strategy. Now is the time for you to align your PLM approach with the future of manufacturing. Need guidance? Our experts are here to help. Contact us at advisoryservices@technologyevaluation.com. We are technology evaluation centers. The choice is clear.